functional decomposition using parameterized logic labeled finite-state machines.
This video illustrates the functional decomposition of the behavior that a robotic soccer player performs when the game is in the state of ready for the standard platform League of RoboCup.
The robot must position itself ready for the game to start.
The top behavior is a LLFSM that responds to the league's game controller. The ready state is where the positioning behavior happens.
If the game is starting, the robot enters the field from a sideline.
The ready behavior is part of the overall game playing,
but itself is composed of finding a landmark, a goal.
Deciding whether the goal found is the opponent's. In such a case, the robot needs to spin around and find a new landmark.
Once the landmark is the one in the team's half, the robot approaches it until a certain distance,
where it turns around again.
Each of these actions are sub-behaviors that decompose themselves into sub-behaviors.
Walking to a landmark implies tracking it with the head, but also controlling the body to align to it.
Finding a landmark demands seeking with the head, and if that is insufficient to find a landmark, then spinning the body.
Sub-behaviors can be reused as they are parameterized. For example, the follower behavior can guide the robot to either goal.
The parameters for the follower allow it to be reused to focus on a goal, and localize while deciding which goal is it, as well as to walk into the robot's own half.
In the first instance, the body only spins. In the second, the body spins, turns and walks.
Different numbered robots use different parts of the soccer goal, like the left post or the right post, so the positioning is parameterized to the robot's player number.
The apparently simple behavior of returning to a robot's own half and turning around to face the opponents is the composition of 10 sub-behaviors.